Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Sleep, brain health, and dietary factors, enhancing cognitive function and overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, where we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions, taking care of our brain health has never been more crucial. The quality of our sleep, the nutrients we consume, and our lifestyle choices all play a significant role in determining our cognitive function and overall well-being. This video will delve into the importance of sleep, brain health, and dietary factors in enhancing our brain function and optimizing our well-being. Impact of bad sleep on brain health and cognitive function. Let's start by addressing the impact of insufficient sleep on our brain health and cognitive function. When we don't get enough quality sleep, our brain's ability to function optimally is compromised. Lack of sleep can lead to cognitive impairment, memory problems, decreased focus, and even mood disturbances. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. It's clear that sleep is not just a time for our bodies to rest, but it is also a crucial period for our brains to recharge and consolidate memories. Benefits of maintaining a healthy brain through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices. On the flip side, maintaining a healthy brain through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices can profoundly impact our cognitive function and overall well-being. A diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can support brain health and improve cognitive performance. Regular exercise, stress management, and mental stimulation are essential to a brain-healthy lifestyle. By nourishing our brains, we can enhance our cognitive abilities, protect against cognitive decline, and promote overall well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Setting the tone for an informative and engaging discussion on enhancing brain health, as we embark on this journey to explore the intricate relationship between sleep, brain health, and dietary factors, let's approach this topic with curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. By understanding the importance of these factors in enhancing our brain health, we can empower ourselves to make informed decisions that will benefit our cognitive function and overall well-being. So, please grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating world of optimizing our brain health for a brighter and healthier future. How to avoid bad sleep. Practical tips to improve sleep quality and avoid common sleep disturbances. Struggling with poor sleep can significantly impact our overall well-being and cognitive function. Fortunately, there are practical strategies we can implement to improve our sleep quality and avoid common sleep disturbances. This section will explore helpful tips to help you achieve a restful night's sleep and wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and bedtime routine. One of the most critical steps in improving sleep quality is establishing a consistent sleep schedule and bedtime routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing deep breathing, signals your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can also significantly impact your sleep quality. To minimize noise and light exposure in your bedroom, use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to create a quiet and dark space conducive to sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, comfortable, and free of distractions to promote restful sleep. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine close to bedtime. Stimulants like caffeine can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Opt for decaffeinated or herbal teas to promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. By incorporating these practical tips into your daily routine, you can improve your sleep quality, avoid common sleep disturbances, and set yourself up for a restorative and rejuvenating sleep. Remember, prioritizing your sleep is essential for optimal brain health, cognitive function, and overall well-being. So, take the time to create a sleep-friendly environment and establish healthy sleep habits to reap the benefits of a good night's sleep. Creatine enhances brain function. Exploring the cognitive benefits of creatine supplementation. When we think of creatine, we often associate it with athletic performance and muscle strength. However, research suggests that creatine supplementation can significantly benefit brain function and cognitive health. In this section, we will delve into the role of creatine in enhancing brain function, the mental benefits of creatine supplementation, and recommendations for safe and effective creatine dosage to support brain health. Role of creatine in energy metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis in the brain. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in the body, primarily in the muscles and brain. In the brain, creatine plays a crucial role in energy metabolism by providing a quick energy source for cells, especially during increased demand. Additionally, creatine is involved in neurotransmitter synthesis, a chemical messenger that facilitates communication between brain cells. By supporting energy production and neurotransmitter function, creatine is vital in maintaining optimal brain health and cognitive function. Research studies supporting the cognitive benefits of creatine supplementation. Numerous research studies have investigated the cognitive benefits of creatine supplementation with promising results. Studies have shown that creatine supplementation can improve mental performance, memory, and attention in healthy individuals and those with cognitive impairments. Additionally, creatine has been found to have neuroprotective properties, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. These findings highlight the potential of creatine as a valuable supplement for enhancing brain function and mental health. Recommendations on safe and effective creatine dosage for brain health. When considering creatine supplementation for brain health, following safe and effective dosage recommendations is essential. The typical recommended dosage ranges from 3 to 5 grams per day, taken consistently to maintain optimal creatine levels in the body. It is necessary to consult a healthcare provider or nutritionist to determine the appropriate dosage based on individual needs and health status. By incorporating creatine supplementation into your daily routine at the recommended dosage, you can enhance brain function, support cognitive health, and optimize overall brain performance. Everyday diet for brain health. Nourishing your mind with essential nutrients, maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for our physical health and plays a significant role in supporting brain health and cognitive function. Incorporating various nutrient-dense foods into our daily meals provides our brains with the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed to thrive. This section will outline an everyday diet rich in brain-boosting foods to nourish your mind and enhance cognitive function. Consuming omega-3 fatty acids for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats vital to brain health and cognitive function. Sources of omega-3s, such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, and plant-based sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are crucial for maintaining optimal brain function. These fatty acids help support brain cell structure, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy neurotransmitter function, all essential for cognitive health. Including colorful fruits and vegetables for antioxidants and phytonutrients. Colorful fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and bell peppers are excellent sources of antioxidants that can help improve memory, focus, and overall brain function. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can provide your brain with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Incorporating whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats for overall brain health. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids and colorful fruits and vegetables, it's essential to include whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your everyday diet for optimal brain health. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide a steady energy source for the brain. At the same time, lean proteins such as poultry, tofu, and legumes support neurotransmitter function and cognitive performance. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts help nourish the brain and support overall cognitive function. Nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to help prevent dementia. Supporting brain health through essential nutrients, preventing dementia, and maintaining optimal brain health is a top priority for many individuals as they age. One fundamental way to support cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia is through a diet rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This section will identify critical nutrients crucial in preventing dementia and supporting overall brain health, highlighting their benefits and recommending dietary sources to incorporate into your daily meals. Benefits of vitamin E, vitamin B12, and folate in cognitive function and dementia prevention. Vitamin E, B12, and folate are essential nutrients linked to cognitive function and dementia prevention. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, protecting brain cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function and the production of neurotransmitters, while folate plays a role in DNA synthesis and brain cell repair. including sources of vitamin E such as almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds, vitamin B12 from animal products like meat, fish, and dairy, and folate from leafy greens, legumes, and fortified grains can help support cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Importance of antioxidants like vitamin C and selenium in reducing oxidative stress in the brain. Antioxidants play a critical role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are vital factors in the development of dementia. Vitamin C and selenium are powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and protect brain cells from damage. Including sources of vitamin C such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries, as well as selenium-rich foods like Brazil nuts, seafood, and whole grains, can help support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Recommendation of sources of essential minerals such as zinc and magnesium for brain health. Essential minerals like zinc and magnesium are vital for brain health and cognitive function. Zinc plays a role in neurotransmitter function, immune system regulation, and brain cell communication. At the same time, magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those related to brain health. Including sources of zinc, such as oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and magnesium-rich foods like spinach, nuts, and whole grains, can help support optimal brain function and reduce the risk of dementia. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods that provide essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals into your daily diet, you can support brain health, enhance cognitive function, and reduce the risk of dementia. Remember, a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is vital to nourishing your brain and promoting long-term cognitive health. Exploring the intricate relationship between sleep, dietary choices, nutrients, and brain health, it's essential to recap the key points discussed and empower you to take action toward improving your brain health. By prioritizing quality sleep, making mindful dietary choices, and incorporating specific nutrients into your daily meals, you can support optimal brain function, enhance cognitive performance, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. We've learned that quality sleep is crucial for brain health, as it allows our brains to recharge, consolidate memories, and function optimally. Dietary choices significantly provide essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support brain function and cognitive performance. Specific nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals are key players in promoting brain health and reducing the risk of dementia. Incorporating these elements into your lifestyle can nourish your brain and optimize cognitive function. Please take the tips and strategies shared in this video and implement them into your daily routine. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a sleep-friendly environment, and avoid stimulants close to bedtime to improve your sleep quality. Consider incorporating nutrients like vitamin E, B12, folate, vitamin C, selenium, zinc, and magnesium into your diet to enhance cognitive function and prevent dementia. Suppose you found this video informative and valuable. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from learning about brain health. Engaging with our content lets you stay informed about the latest research, tips, and strategies for enhancing brain health and cognitive function. Let's take proactive steps towards prioritizing our brain health and nurturing our minds for a brighter and healthier future.